Hi, welcome back to Lawyer John. My name is Joan.A. I'm a lawyer. If you're new to this channel, on this channel we talk about land. Everything pertaining to land. I literally equip you with tips on how you can take advantage of the law to address any land issue that you can encounter. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what should you expect on your title when you do a direct transfer. What is a direct transfer? A direct transfer is normally what happens or is the effect of when you buy land from a seller, but you buy the entire piece of land and now they have availed you with their title so that you can transfer your name onto this title. So when you take this title to the land office, what should you expect when you receive your title again? What should you look out for? So the first thing you should look out for is the ownership page. What I want you to know that a title has 5 pages and the only page that changes is the second page, which is the ownership page. So this first page, which we call the cover page, is not supposed to change at all, because on the cover page you're going to find the district. Here we have a private Milo title. So you're going to find the district, which is Wakiso. You're going to find the county, which is Busiro. You're going to find the block, which is 547, plots 160. So this page should not change. And then when you go to the second page, this is where we find the particulars of the land, where it's located, the particulars of ownership, who owns this land, their NIN number, when they were registered on this land as the legal owners. So we're going to look at all that. So this is the page that you should be keen about. You should be keen that the district is the same, the sub-county is the same, where the land is located remains the same. For instance, here you see that the land is located at Nambaze. When you look at the county, you see Busiro, plot 160, block 547. Then also the size of the land should remain the same. Here you see 0.36110 hectares. If you find any change in these particulars, it should raise a question mark at the back of your mind. You should inquire as to why, because they're not supposed to change. So when you go down to part 2, we are looking at the date and time and registration as to when the previous owner was registered on this title. So the previous owner of this land was registered on this title on the 20th of the 12th month 2023 at 2:16 p.m. So you can see the name of the registered owner, and you can see their NIN number here. So when you are registered as the new landowner on this title, what you should look out for, much as we don't have this, what I'm talking about here, evidently on the title, what you should know that this name should be crossed out in red pen. This name should be crossed out in red pen, and the registrar should sign against it in red pen. This is to show that this person has been crossed out and they are no longer the legal landowner or recognized in land office as the owner. So the registrar goes ahead to print your name in black ink as the new registered owner of the land. So she or he is supposed to sign against this in a blue pen to effect the transfer legally into your names and into the records of the land office. The other thing that you should take note of is that you should take note of the time. Time is very important. You should make sure that the time when they effect this transfer, it's not beyond 5 p.m. or the day when they effect this transfer, it's not a Saturday or a Sunday, because the land office does not work on weekends, neither does it work beyond 5 p.m. So when you go to the other pages, that is the encumbrance page does not change at all. When you go to the fourth page, which has the conditions of the land and also has a miniature deed plan, they should also remain the same. So make sure that the title that you handed in at land's office, when they return it to you, nothing has changed on all the pages, but apart from the second page. Also the sketch map where your land is shown in red ink should remain the same and untampered with. Well, you should be given the same title that you gave to the land's office, and you should not be expecting a new title. Well, this is all I had for you. If you want to know what key features are embodied in an original land agreement, or what we call a duplicate certificate of title, I will leave a link in the description below because I've done a video on this. This is all I had for you for today. Until next time, bye.